In this video, we'll explore Sencha Themer further and put the finishing touches on our theme. This is what our theme currently looks like, and this is what we want it to look like when we're done. There's still a few differences. For one, toolbar buttons should be the same as the base color, this shade of green. Let's change that. To change the style for toolbar buttons, you could either go to Toolbars, select Basic Toolbar, and find the button background color. Or, if you didn't know it was located there, you could go to Theme Defaults and inspect one of the toolbar buttons and change it here. Next, we'll update the color of this splitter, which we want to be this darker color. Also, the collapse tool and glyph as well are different. To change the splitter color, we'll go to the Layout section and select Border Layout. Or if you didn't know that splitters were here, you could have gone to Theme Defaults and inspected a splitter. Let's change the splitter background to a color that's slightly darker than the background color. Remember, the background color is automatically placed in our palette, and so all we have to do is just select the 5% darker color. For the collapse tool, we'll use a 10% lighter color, and then for the glyph, we'll use the background color. Let's see, what else? The links are a lot more readable using this yellow color that contrasts well with the dark background than the blue color in our current theme. To change the color of links, we'll go to the Links section and simply change the color. Let's use the Material Design Picker to find a good shade of yellow. I think that looks good. We could also add this to our palette by clicking the plus in case we wanted to reuse it later. We could also style the different states of a link as well, such as hover, active, or visited. Let's change the color that we get when we hover over a link to something more like the base color. And then let's also remove the underline. Okay, let's see what else we need to change. So not much. I think the only thing left, if you notice, the tabs are rounded in the theme we're trying to emulate, but they're square in our current theme. To change that, you can go to the Tab section and then change the border radius for tabs. Each corner corresponds to one of the boxes here, so top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. And if we give it a border radius of 5, it'll round the corners. Now our theme is finished. In the next video, I'll show you how to export and share this theme with others.